We have to build a snowman. Oh my god, what do I wear?
We have to build a snowman. What do I wear?
You're on.
And we're walking downtown, there's snow on the ground. We're in Athens, Georgia. And pretty much everybody's staying home. Or more like they're not going to work.
Right.
Obviously we're not staying home. But there's ice and snow everywhere. Or snow.
Parts of trees down everywhere. Here's Church Street where I used to live. Pretty. Hello. Good, how are you? You want to talk about our overnight?
Look. The snow fountain open. Overnight was really boring. We went to bed early and then we went to sleep.
Played Uno?
We played Uno
and
we made some really good dinner with some tea lights and a makeshift pan thing. Had some macaroni that Steven had leftovers of with some beans.
It was yummy.
It was yummy.
It's good to have some warm food, which we otherwise wouldn't have had.
Yeah, because it was freezing in the house, but
we haven't had power for like 18 hours now. Hopefully it'll be fixed within 6 or so.
Right now we're gonna go visit our friends at Wolf Street and say what's up.
Maybe get some food, maybe see a movie, we'll see. Have some fun on our snow day. Bye y'all. There's a power line down over Pulaski.
Power line.
I know. And it's over the 40, comes from the 40 watt. Tree limbs down. It's bright as day though. Multiple power outages. But it's a strange kind of beautiful. What do you have to say for yourself? How'd you like that walk?
I was okay.
It's about a mile.
Fun. Sorta.
Took just a little bit longer than normal. We would have walked. We walked carefully.
But it was fine. It was cool.
It got warm.
It did get warm. I had to take off my jacket.
Because you're so bundled up with layers. That's us reporting from downtown Athens, March 2nd, 2009. Bye.
I think I'll wrap my foot. Just for fun.
Yeah. And what else?
And
What's happening today, Steven?
What's happening today, Steven, is we're downtown at Transmed in Georgia, and they have power, so we're eating here.
They also have a tripod.
And we have a tripod. And we're gonna walk back home in the snow.
We had lunch and you talked to your mama.
Yeah, talk to my mama.
We saw our buddy John Fernandez.
Yeah. And I'm so sweat.
Oh, my battery's getting low. Uh-oh.
Okay.
Say bye, y'all.
Bye, y'all.